Jamaica is on a fast track to becoming a first world country with the current government. Right in front of our eyes, we're seeing Jamaica transform. People are being lifted out of poverty, and the standard and quality of living of average Jamaicans is actually coming closer and closer to a first world standard of living. For the first time ever in Jamaican history, the average Jamaican, not just the capital class, has disposable income to consume, not just to exist in survival, and I know that's as a result of the leadership of the Jamaica Labour Party. I want Jamaica to be the place that people choose to live, work, thrive, achieve their dreams. And that's why today I'm asking you to put your X beside the bell and vote for the Jamaica Labour Party so we can continue the work under the revolutionary leadership of Dr. Andrew Holness. Every single judgment call that Mark Golding and the PNP have suggested over the past 5 years has been the wrong one. And we know that in hindsight, we've been able to prove that. And that's why we cannot hand the reins of the country back into these criminals. We've seen that they're corrupt, crooked, and disorderly, and they have no intention to lead this country anywhere else but into the ground. Put the X beside the bell. Just put the X beside the bell.